Another London trap tayo. D4, knight F6, bishop F4, New London, E6. Okay, developing the bishop ng itim plus possible target at C5. Knight F3, development of knight, C5, and E3. Basic tayo, and B6, yan. Ano purpose ng B6? Yung bishop niyan, i-develop niya dyan para magkaroon siya ng strong control sa center. In this case, all you need to do is develop your other knight, knight C3. Coach, ano ka na yan? Itutuloy niya yung development. Kapag naman siya nag B7, the good move there is knight B5. Threatening knight C7, royal fork, or knight C6, target yan. Sir, coach, in that case, pwedeng mag-bishop D6. But in this case, pag nag-bishop D6 yan, bishop x D6, bishop x D6, white will preserve the two bishop advantage plus may iwan sa gitna yung king. Coach, what if ang itira dyan ay D6? Nadepensahan nyo na yon. Depensado to, depensado rin yon. Pero in this case, i-renew mo yung threat. Kung saan, the best move is DXC5. In case na DXC5, kapag ito ang tinira niya, Queen XD, you have a target Queen XD8, then you will renew the threat in C7. Okay, tuloy natin. Halimbawa, ganito nga tinira niya. Kinain. All you need to do is Queen XD8, Queen XD8, and doon, pwede na yan. Or, paano naman kung kabilang ipangkain niya? Kung kabilang ipangkain niya naman niya, bishop x d6, bishop x d6, queen x d6, threatening knight c7, pwede rin, hindi niya pwede kainin to, because after knight, target ang d8, target ang e8, target ang b7. Okay, white has a great positional advantage.